Alex. I'm the guest service lead here at World of Speed. I first learned about Shirley Muldowney and our yearly Women in Racing exhibit. She won the NHRA Top Fuel Championship in 1977, 1980, and 1982, becoming the first person to win 2 and then 3 Top Fuel titles. Her story was turned into the 1983 movie Heart Like a Wheel. This is the movie's press kit. It includes the production info, cast, credits, and movie stills. This suit made for the movie is a near replica of Muldowney's racing suit. It's rumored that she was not a fan of the movie when it first came out, while others have loved to see a movie about the First Lady in drag racing. You can see the movie poster alongside other racing and car movies in the gallery. If you're a movie fan, check out the World of Speed Archives movie collection available for viewing in the archive room, or check out our online collection catalog of posters and lobby cards.